Right from childhood, people all around us, they keep sticking negative stickers onto us. And these negative stickers are something like you are stupid, you are idiot, you are good for nothing, you are useless, you can't do this, you can't do that. So, by the time we are about 20-25 years old, we are full of stickers. Now, you may not see these stickers, but they are there. And how do you know whether you have a sticker? Very simple. If you don't feel good about yourself, or if you feel you are not confident about certain things, then you can be assured that you have some stickers onto you. So it's very important that if we want to build our self-esteem and if we want to build our confidence, we need to remove these stickers. So here's an exercise that I suggest you do every day, maybe in the morning, maybe at night, and that is repeat this statement. From today, I throw away all negative stickers given to me by other people, and I don't take any negative stickers from anybody. Let me repeat, and I would suggest you do this action also while saying these words. From today, I throw away all negative stickers given to me by other people, and I don't accept any negative stickers from anybody. So do this every day and you will feel your stickers going off and you feeling good about yourself, your self-esteem going up and your confidence going up. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye.